In this video, I will show how to insert Autoformat tool in Quick Access toolbar in Microsoft Word. So open Microsoft Office, click on File, then click on Options. Now click on Advanced. Click here Quick Access toolbar. Here select all commands. Now in this list you have to find out auto format. There is the three option. So select this auto format or select auto format now. Then click on add. Then click on OK. Now select your text or data and click on this auto format now. You can use shortcut Alt plus Control plus K. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.